Hi friends, welcome to IPCS. This tutorial is about introduction to ARM7 LPC2148 microcontroller. We'll also discuss some facts and features of NXP LPC2148 microcontroller. This guide will help you to understand functional fundamental of ARM7 LPC2148 microcontroller. So in this tutorial we will get to know about ARM7 stick, LPC2148, ARM microcontroller. ARM, Advanced RISC Machines, originally known as Acorn RISC Machine, is a family of reduced instruction set computing, RISC, architecture for computer processors, configured for various environments. ARM processor is widely found in electronics products such as LED TV, mobile phones, tablets, multimedia devices, gaming devices, etc. Even popular electronics company like Apple's mobiles and iPods, Raspberry Pi 3 uses ARM architecture and ARM processor in it. ARM architecture examples: ARM7, ARM9, ARM11, Cortex. LPC2148 is manufactured by NXP Semiconductor, Philips, and it is preloaded with many inbuilt features and peripherals. This makes it more efficient and reliable choice for an high-end application developer. Benefits of ARM: with more features, ARM processor consumes less power. ARM processor are cheap and that's why widely used in consumer electronics. Performs one operation at a time and works faster. Let's see the specifications of ARM7, LPC2148. Architecture: 16-bit/32-bit ARM7 MES. CPU frequency: 60 MHz. Number of GPIO pins: 45, 5 volts tolerant. PWM outputs: 6. ADC, 214 channel, 10-bit. DAC, single 10-bit DAC. USART peripherals: 2. I2C peripherals: 2, 40-bit/S. SPI peripherals: 1. SSP peripheral: 1. Time. Interrupt pins: 21. Input voltage: 4.5 volts, 6.5 volts. Current draw: 500 mA at 5 volts. Now let's have a look at pin diagram of LPC2148. General purpose input-output, GPIO, pins of a microcontroller are the first thing we need to learn before starting its embedded programming, as input-output pins are the only way to interface with the microcontroller. GPIO pins can be used for driving loads, reading digital and analog signal, controlling external components, generating triggers for external devices, etc. LPC2148 has two I/O ports, namely port 0, P0, and port 1, P1. These two I/O ports are 32-bit wide and are provided by the 64 pins of the microcontroller. Port 0 is a 32-bit I/O port with individual direction controls for each bit. Total of 28 pins of the port 0 can be used as a general-purpose bidirectional digital I/OS, while P0.31 provides digital output functions only. The operation of port 0 pins depends upon the pin function selected via the pin connect block. Pins P0.24, P0.26 and P0.27 are not available. Port 1 is a 32-bit bidirectional I/O port with individual direction controls for each bit. The operation of port 1 pins depends upon the pin function selected via the pin connect block. Pins 0 through 15 of port 1 are not available. Port 0 and port 1 are controlled via two groups of registers. I-pin. This is GPIO port pin value register. The current state of the GPIO configured port pins can always be read from this register, regardless of pin direction. IDR. This is GPIO port direction control register. This register individually controls the direction of each port pin. ICOR. This is GPIO port output clear registers. This register controls the state of output pins. Writing ones produces lows at the corresponding port pins and clears the corresponding bits in the I/O set register. Writing zeros has no effect. I/O set. This is GPIO port output set registers. This register controls the state of output pins in conjunction with the I/O core register. Writing 1s produces highs at the corresponding port pins. Writing 0s has no effect. These are the set of register used to configure I/O pins. Now let's move to individual registers and deep. Pencil 0. Port 0 has 32 pins, P0.0 to P0.31. Each pin can have multiple functions. On reset, all pins are configured as GPIO pins. However, we can reconfigure using the registers Pencil 0 and Pencil 1. Pencil 0 is used to select function of P0.0 to P0.15. Each pin has up to 4 functions, so 2 bits, pin in. Pencil 0 is provided for selecting function. O function 0, default function equals GPIO. O1 function 1. 10 function 2. 11 function 3. IO0 dir. IO0 dir is used to configure pins of port 0 P0 as input or output pins. 1 equals output pin. 0 equals input pin. Example, IO0 dir equals 0 by OOOFFF means P0.0 to P0.15 are configured as output pins and P0.16 to P0.31 are configured as input pins. IO1 dir. IO1 dir is used to configure pins of port 1 P1 as input or output pins. 1 equals output pin. 0 equals input pin. Example, IO1 dir equals 0 means even pins, P1.0, P1.2, P1.4 etc. are configured as input pins and odd pins, P1.1, P1.3, P1.5 etc. are configured as input pins. IO0 set. It is used to set pins of port 0 P0 to logic 1. Example, IO0 set equals 0 by OOOFFF will set pins P0.0 to P0.15 at logic 1. It will not affect other pins. IO0 CLR. It is used to set pins of port 0 P0 to logic 0. Example, IO0 CLR equals 0 by OOOFFF will set pins P0.0 to P0.15 at logic 0. It will not affect other pins. Once the use of above all registers is perfectly understood, you are good to go with programming. Thanks for watching. On next video we will see the software and programming section for LPC2148.